Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to Sinfonia, a symphony of shared moments 2024-25. We are sure that you are delighted and proud to be here. Before we begin this joyous ceremony, may I request you to kindly keep your cell phones on vibration mode. It is not every day that you see your children perform on stage in front of such an august audience. Please be courteous to those around you by refraining from talking loudly over the phone or standing to take photographs of your children. Movement during the ceremony is best avoided, so please restrict your movements to go out to the washrooms, prayer rooms, stalls, etc. Photography during the ceremony is not required, for we shall be providing you with professional photographs and videos 1 week after the event. We shall be announcing the prayer timings for Maghrib and Isha. During these breaks, please visit the stall or collect your children from the allotted classroom. We shall make the announcement again end of each performance of each phase. We request only one parent to come and collect the wards from the classrooms mentioned. After your child has been collected, we request you to come and enjoy the show once again with your ward, as it is a nice family evening out with your families. Your presence will encourage our students to perform even better, and our students have been practicing painstakingly for over 3 weeks to entertain you. Kindly cheer and applaud after each performance, not only the one in which your ward performed. Please remember, each child has put in his or her best and they are waiting to hear your applause after each performance. During the function, parents will not be allowed to meet the children at the backstage or in the green room. In case your child is not comfortable, we will contact you personally. Please do not worry about your child, as we have made all the arrangements for his or her safety. I also wish to inform that, keeping in mind the vision of our school, which is to create and nurture reflective global citizens who think forward and empower themselves to actualize the potentials. All students, including the students of determination, will be performing on stage for the first time in their life. Please do encourage every performance, as each of our students is dear to both of us and to you parents. Before we begin, we wish to thank each parent for your overwhelming support and cooperation. Nothing gratifies us more than your presence today in such huge numbers, and we do appreciate your support in everything that we do. Kindly share your feedbacks with us after the event through the QR code. Your suggestions and feedback are also important to us. Now, ladies and gentlemen, sit back and relax. Enjoy an evening with us. As Max Lucado said, our prayers do make a difference. Let's start our ceremony by taking the blessings of the Almighty with the rendering of a surah from the Holy Quran. I request Sulaiman of 8O to recite the verses, followed by the translation by Hamdan of 8O. Kindly refrain from applauding after the Quran recitation. Thank you.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الله نور السماوات والأرض مثل نوره كمشكاة فيها مصباح المصباح في زجاجة الزجاجة كأنها كوكب دري يوقد من شجرة مباركة زيتونة لا شرقية يكاد زيتها يضيء ولو لم تمسسه نار نور على نور يهدي الله لنوره من يشاء ويضرب الله الأمثال للناس والله بكل شيء عليم صدق الله العظيم.
Assalamu alaikum. Surah translation. Allah is the light of the heavens and the earth. The example of His light is like a niche within which is a lamp. The lamp is within glass, the glass as if it were a pearly white star lit from the oil of a breast olive tree. Neither of the tree nor of the west, whose oil would almost glow even if untouched by fire. Light upon light. Allah guides to His light whom He wills, and Allah presents examples for the people, and Allah is knowing of all things. Thank you.
Thank you, boys. May I now request everyone to rise for the UAE national anthem, followed by the school choir, and also request the audience to join us in singing the UAE national anthem. UAE is not only our land of residence, but it is also such a wonderful country to be in. Thank you. Thank you, students. Thank you all. I request you all kindly take your seats. The night is still young and stage is set for breathtaking performance. Stay with us as we embark on this unforgettable journey of music, dance, and storytelling.
In the quiet hush of twilight's embrace, where dreams dance on the edge of space, there lies a whisper, soft and pure, of a sense of fulfillment ever sure.
Through trials faced and battles won, though tears shed and races won, there sings a melody, sweet and clear, of a journey completed without fear.
So let us cherish each step we take, every dawn, every breath we make. For the tapestry of life's descent, there lies a sweet embrace of fulfillment.
Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. Education is not about conforming to society's expectations, but about discovering one's own unique potential.
As quoted by Jones Adams, there are two types of education. One that teaches us how to make a living, and the other how to live. A very warm good evening and a hearty welcome to one and all present here. This is Neelufar and Afan and Faizan. And we welcome you all on behalf of Woodland Park family. It is a proud privilege to welcome everyone to Sinfonia Season 2, 2024-25, a symphony of shared moments. Books are not just pages bound together. They are portals to endless adventures, wisdom, and imagination. This year, we celebrate the magic of stories with our theme, Immersive Reading. A journey where words come alive, where imagination knows no bounds, and where every page turns into an experience. As we flip through the chapters of this grand event, let's dive deeper into the world of books and embrace the power of storytelling like never before. I would like to welcome our principal, Ms. Joyita Bhattacharya, our academic advisor, Mr. Anthony Koshi, my dear parents, other dignitaries, my colleagues, and cherished students. Welcome you all to Sinfonia Season 2. May I request our principal, Ms. Joyita Bhattacharya, for the welcome address, accompanied by Mr. Anthony Koshi, our academic advisor.
Thank you, students. Thank you, Ms. Nilofer. Good evening, parents, colleagues, and most importantly, my dear students. I, on behalf of the entire staff, management, and students, welcome each one of you to Sinfonia Season 2. This year, the theme for Sinfonia is immersive reading. So, what is this immersive reading? Does it mean just analyzing the text, the characters? No, it goes much beyond that. It is all about lateral thinking, how we can use knowledge of what we have read in varied fields. We are very proud of our diverse range of students who hail from 28 different countries. Each student brings with him or her a new culture, new literature, new traditions, which we embrace as one family. In our school, there is no political divide, no economic divide, no social divide. In fact, no divide at all. Each student is special. We don't say that ours is an inclusive school because inclusion doesn't mean that we kind of demarcate certain students, whether they are gifted or talented or otherwise. Inclusion means that we are one. There is no need for any kind of inclusion in our school because every child is special, unique in his or her own way. Since we have the theme of immersive reading, which we inaugurated yesterday, parents, I wish we could invite all of you to witness the grand opening inauguration ceremony. But due to lack of space, we were unable to do that and host the entire event in one day. However, we have a special treat for all our students and parents today because after 7:30, we have a special concert arranged specially for you, for all of us, in fact. Each dance recital that we have today is inspired by some story or the other. You will find students using tales from Shakespeare, tales from fairy tales, from Rapunzel, Goldilocks and the Bears, Cinderella, to robotics, Avatar, and whatnot. We all know the story of the ugly duckling. You will find that here the students have created magic. They have created a twist in the tale where instead of a beautiful swan in a flock of ducks, you will find that there is a not so confident duck among the swans, and how the swans take over and make the duck join their fleet. This is what means by immersive reading. When we are able to create our own stories, our own annotations, our own conclusions, and give meaning to literature in the true sense of the word. We have tales from Middle East, from Far East, from Europe, China, and of course, from the land that where we are staying. Sorry, water. We also have students, thank you. We also have students turning the pages of physics and creating an interplay of Numbra and Penumbra when they perform a shadow dance for you. We have students who will use percussion to show you what is the true meaning of sound waves. We have students performing a cappella and various other art and literary forms. Yesterday, we also had our Scholastic Awards, where we gave some awards for the Making Learning Visible program. It's a very unique program where students contribute and support each other to make wonderful projects. Some of our projects that I wish to highlight are the water rockets, 4D holograms, which reflect a deep understanding of the real-world application of STEM. We also had a parent who came as a judge. And what can we ever do without parents? Nothing. Nothing is possible without the wholehearted support of the parents. So today, parents is not only our annual day, it's a Thanksgiving ceremony from the staff and the students to each of you here. So one parent told us he saw a project on sustainability, which incidentally won an award. It was one of the top 10 sustainability projects in Middle East. And our students competed with the best schools of the UAE, not only schools, the best universities of UAE. It was such a proud moment for us to be featured among the top 10 schools and university in the UAE. They made a project on saving the ocean, which won a lot of acclaim. Our students have won the Young Innovators Award, the Budding Scientist Award. We have featured not once but twice in the last academic year in the Guinness Book of Records. Students used sensors to create sensor bins, traffic signals, parking lots. They created artificial lungs and hearts that mimic human physiology and showcase the length and breadth of the knowledge that they have assimilated and made it their own. Our success stories are not only for knowledge. Of course, knowledge is what we do best. That is our unique selling point, or our unique, our unique point or feature in the school. Knowledge, knowledge, and knowledge. Apart from that, we also take pride, as I was saying, in our inclusive team. We have with us a student who is, his visibility, I should say, is 0.1%. We do not offer Braille here, but we have given him a lot of emotional support. He is one among us. That is immersive reading. He cannot read, he cannot see, so he cannot read. So teachers read out the text for him. That is so wonderful. The students read out the text for him. Thank you, parents. This is immersive reading. This is inclusivity in the real sense of the word. There was a parent who was in a complete denial mode that, no, my child is absolutely fine, but he's not able to, do well in the exams. So we kind of convinced the parent, and it turned out that the child was a gifted child. Today, he won the Young Budding Scientist Award. The parents are so proud. So this is our success story. As we look to the future, we are happy to announce that our AI lab, our future-ready classroom, is ready. Ready with telescopes, with robots, Lego kits, hydroponics, drones, and whatnot. If this is not a future-ready school, then I have yet to see one. So as promised by the management, we endeavor to train our students not only to be future-ready, but to shape the future. In conclusion, dear parents, we thank you once again, and let us enjoy the wonderful tapestry, the wonderful books, the wonderful music, the magic that has been created by our students. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? I can't hear you. Are you ready for Sinfonia Season 2? Let the show begin.
Graceful swans take the stage in a magical dance by our little stars from KG2 and Grade 5.
Thank you. Let's watch the elegance and precision of these ancient Chinese warriors come to life in this sword dance.
Up next, we dive into the elegance of the Chinese sword dance. This dance is not just movement, but a celebration of grace, precision, and rhythm. Much like literature, which weaves stories with beauty and balance, the Chinese sword dance brings a narrative to life with every move. Let's watch the flow of language and movement blend seamlessly into the performance. Enjoy! Thank you. Now, a classical fairy tale retold through the cheerful dance of our young performers.
Today, our little stars from KG1, W and X will take you on a journey to Tiana's world with a delightful dance performance. Get ready. ready to be enchanted as we sprinkle joy, charm, and a touch of magic on the stage.
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ। इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ।
दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी, होठों पे कुंडी चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए आधी आधी बांट ले। आजा दिल की ये ज़मीं, थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा, थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा, अपना ये आशियाँ।
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ। ना हो चार दीवारें, फिर भी झरोखे खुले, बादलों के हो पर्दे, शाखे हरी पंखा झले। ना हो कोई तकरारें, हरी मस्ती खा के चले, प्यार के सिक्कों से महीने का खर्चा चले।
दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी, होठों पे कुंडी चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए आधी आधी बांट ले। आजा दिल की ये ज़मीं, थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा, थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा, अपना ये आशियाँ।
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ।
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ।
Thank you. Now let's dive into the ocean as our mermaids twirl to a magical underwater melody.
Good evening, everyone. Let's welcome the students of KG1D and KG1F to perform the dance themed The Little Mermaid.
जश्नबाजी की शाम है, जश्नबाजी की शाम है, क्रिकेट ताल पे ठुमके लगाए तालिमा।
तेरी शैतानियों से महफिल रंगीन हुई, तू दीवाना हुआ मैं भी शौकीन हुई। दुनिया जलती है तो चले, दुनिया जलती है तो चले, अलिमा के संग नचे तालमा।
आओ तुम भी ले लो मजा, आओ तुम भी ले लो मजा, वरना दूर खड़े बस तमाशा देखना।
We are extremely thankful to our dear parents for being so supportive.
Thank you. Let's join Simba and his friends as they bring the African savannah to life with rhythm and spirit.
Let's welcome the students of KG1A and B to perform the dance themed The Lion King. Thank you.
दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया। नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया। मेरे इशारे पे तो दिनों दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया। नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया। सारी दुनिया में एक ही फेमस है, मुंबई हो या प्राग। वाला डांस, ये मेरा वाला डांस, तो नाचो। ये है मेरा वाला डांस, तो नाचो। ये है मेरा वाला डांस।
Dear parents, we hope you're enjoying the evening. Keep cheering for our performers as they are performing without being prompted. Please give them a big, huge round of applause.
Now let's dance with joy and energy as these little ones bring the house down with a lively performance.
Good evening, everyone. Let's welcome the students of KG1G and H to perform the dance theme Rapunzel. Let's enjoy.
तू मेरा हुक्म का इक्का, तू ही मेरी क्रिकेट का छक्का। मैं अलादीन, तू मेरा जिन, मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन। तू मेरी बोली का सिक्का, तू ही दिलदार मेरा पक्का। तू अलादीन, मैं तेरा जिन, मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन। मैं किसी से कम नहीं, तूने सिखाया जीने का नुस्खा, यही तूने बताया। नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु। नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु। मार छलांगे झूले गगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु। नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु। रिश्ता हमारा जैसे कि डोरी से जुड़ी हो पतंग 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 पतंग। तुझसे बिछड़ के चल न सकूंगा एक भी मैं कदम 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 कदम। रिश्ता हमारा जैसे कि डोरी से जुड़ी हो पतंग 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 पतंग। तुझसे बिछड़ के चल न सकूंगा एक भी मैं कदम 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 कदम। पलकों पे मुझको बस तूने बिठाया, जीने का नुस्खा यही तूने बताया। छेड़ घटा को बन के पवन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु। नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु। मार छलांगे झूले गगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु। नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु।
Thank you. Now, Mowgli and his friends take us through the jungle in a lively and vibrant song.
Good evening, everyone. Let's welcome the students of KG1C and E to perform the dance themed the Jungle Book.
Tandane tane nane nane tanane tani nani nane tanane tani nari nane. पत्तियां खाती है किरणें, पत्तियां खाती है किरणें, पत्तियों को खाता है बकरा, पत्तियों को खाता है बकरा, बकरे को शेर दबोचे, बकरे को शेर दबोचे, भूख से कोई ना बचे, भूख से कोई ना बचे। मौत का शेर पे काबू, समय का मौत पे काबू, काली समय को रचे, महाभूख फिर मचे। भागे शिकारी जिधर, पीछे दौड़े शिकारी उधर, जीता शिकार चिलेगा एक दिन, हारा शिकारी तो जीना नामुमकिन। एक जान की भूख मिटाने को एक जान की मौत जरूरी है। जागो जागो बकरे, शेर आया तो कर देगा टुकड़े हुई। पेड़ों में ताली बजी, पत्तों की सीटी बजी, अजी हंसी मची बच्चों की। मोर गिलहरी हिरन सुनहरी उछल रहा है, जंगल जंगल बात चली है पता चला है, जंगल जंगल बात चली है पता चला है। अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है, अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है।
Thank you. Now let's join Goldilocks and the Bear family as they show us the power of fun and friendship.
Good evening, everyone. Let's welcome the students of KG1I and J to perform a beautiful dance.
जो गिरे तो रात सहारा, माँ पल में समझे का इशारा।
हिदाई राई माई पा अगर मिल जाए तो ये संगम
Wow. Yeah.
We request the parents not to wave at their kids as it will distract them.
Thank you. A whimsical journey to the skies, filled with joy and imagination from our KG1 stars.
We are so grateful for your presence on this day. This day is very auspicious in every way. We are so blessed by our Almighty God. So come with us to celebrate and praise the Lord. Celebrate and praise the Lord. शुभ दिन है आज का, स्वागत है आपका. खुश है हम आज सभी, है साथ आपका. शुभ दिन है आज का, स्वागत है आपका. खुश है हम आज सभी, है साथ आपका. हो हो फूलों की खुशबू है फिजाओं में भरी. करते हैं स्वागत पूरे दिल से हम सभी. खुशियाँ मनाने का ये दिन है आज का. दिल से करते हैं मिलकर स्वागत आपका. स्वागत आपका. शुभ दिन है आज का, स्वागत है आपका. खुश है हम आज सभी, है साथ आपका. शुभ दिन है आज का, स्वागत है आपका. खुश है हम आज सभी, है साथ आपका. हो
Thank you. Now let's watch Cinderella's magical transformation come alive with an elegant ballroom dance.
Good evening, everyone. Let's welcome the students of Kitchen KNL to perform the dance team Cinderella.
जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ, किसी ज़बान में भी वो लफ्ज़ ही नहीं कि जिनमें तुम हो क्या तुम्हें बता सकूं। मैं अगर कहूँ तुम सा हंसी कायनात में नहीं है कहीं, तारीफ ये भी तो सच है कुछ भी नहीं। कोई मिल गया, कोई मिल गया। क्या हुआ है, क्यों मैं खो गया हूँ, पागल था मैं पहले या अब हो गया हूँ।
बैठी है निगाहें और बिखरे हैं बाल, तुमने बनाया है क्या अपना ये हाल।
कोई मिल गया और मेरा दिल गया, क्या बताऊं यारो, मैं तो हिल गया। कोई मिल गया, मिल ही गया, मिल ही गया, मिल ही गया, हो मिल ही गया।
Thank you. Now, let's sing along with our little ones as they bring the timeless tunes of sound to music, of music to life.
आवारा भंवरे जो होले होले गाए, फूलों के तन पे हवाएं सरसराए। आवारा भंवरे जो होले होले गाए, फूलों के तन पे हवाएं सरसराए। आवारा भंवरे जो होले होले गाए, फूलों के तन पे हवाएं सरसराए। कोयल की कुहू कुहू, पपीहे की पीहू पीहू, जंगल में झींगर की छाए छाए। नदियों में लहरें आए, बल खाए छलकी जाए, भीगे होठों से वो गुनगुनाए। गाता है साहिल, गाता है बहता पानी, गाता है ये दिल सुन सारे गामा पाधानी सारे। बन के तितली दिल उड़ा उड़ा है कहीं दूर बन के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर चल के खुशबू से जुड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर हाथ से ये कैसे अनसुने से जैसे चूमे अंधेरों को कोई नूर बन के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर
सिर्फ कह जाओ या आसमां पे लिख दूं तेरी तारीफों में चश्मे बदलूं
Thank you. Now let's step into the magical world of Encanto as our performers bring its vibrant spirit to the stage.
Now let's welcome the students of KG101P to perform the dance of Sleeping Beauty. Thank you. Let's enjoy.
Now, let's join Aladdin on a magic carpet ride with a performance filled with music and charm.
Good evening, everyone. Let's welcome the students of KG1 to perform the dance themed Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Thank you.
Oh, imagine a land, it's a faraway place where the caravan camels roam, where you wander among every culture and tongue. It's chaotic, but hey, it's home. When the wind's from the east and the sun's from the west and the sand in the glass is right, come on down, stop on by, hop a carpet and fly to another Arabian night. حبيبي مالو قولوا لي واش جرالو البارح كان يبغيني واليوم تغير حالو كان ديما فيا يسول وغيابه عليا طول لازم شي حد في بالو والله حالي بنعاول ومال حبيبي مالو قولوا لي واش جرالو البارح كان يبغيني واليوم تغير حالو كان ديما فيا يسول وغيابه عليا طول حد في بالو والله حالي بنعاول يا ولفي حرام عليك هجرتيني بلا زبده والعشره هنت عليك وجرحتي المحبه والله حرام عليك ضيعت معاك زماني هجرت اللي كان يبغيك وجريتي للبراني ماشي نادم حيت بغيتي ربي عالم باللي بيا قادر يسيني ويكفي نار الكيا جرالو البارح كان يبغيني واليوم تغير حاله كان ديما فيا يسول وغيابه عليا طول لازم شي حد في بالو والله عليك حب تسونامي ضرب لي قلبي والله تسونامي استر يا ربي حب تسونامي
We are happy to welcome Ms. Lyudmila Klikova, Principal of Hampton Heights International School, as a guest of honor today. May I request our Principal, Ms. Joyita Bhattacharya, to welcome her by giving her a token of appreciation. We also thank her for her encouraging message in our school magazine, Ru'yat Al-Saqar. Thank you, ma'am. Please give a huge round of applause for Ms. Lyudmila Klikova, Principal of Hampton Heights International School. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Now let's experience a Japanese-inspired dance celebrating the beauty of life and purpose.
Good evening, everyone. Let's welcome the students of KG1S and T to perform a Chinese.
Down the rabbit hole we go with Alice and friends in this whimsical dance adventure.
Good evening, everyone. Let's welcome students of KG1U and KG1V to perform the dance theme Alice Wonderland.
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला। आबोदाना मेरा हाथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला। तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल, तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल। हाँ मुश्किल सही आसान हुई मंजिल, क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल।
मैं तो बादलों से दूर जाऊंगी, मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी, है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे सारे चुन के मैं भूल आऊंगी। हमारा ऐसे दुनिया की हुई नहीं, मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी। कि जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां, हाँ कि जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां, मैं पूरी करूं। जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां, मैं जीना मैं पूरी तरह, मैं जीना मैं पूरी तरह। सबकी रोक है टोक है, नोक है जोक है, पर दिल में फिर भी होप है ना। लाइफ थोड़ी हार्ड है, अनदेखे कार्ड है, पर हम भी तो स्टार है ना। कि मानो इस दुनिया की हुई नहीं, मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी।
Now let's enter the world of fairies as Tinkerbell dances with twinkling light and magic.
Let's welcome the students of KG1Y and Z to perform the dance team of Tingle Bell and Peter Pan.
Watch all the flowers dance with the wind. Listen to snowflakes whisper your name. Feel all the wonder lifting your dreams. You can fly. Fly to who you are. Climb upon your star. You believe you'll find your wings. Fly to your heart. Touch every rainbow, painting the sky. Look at the magic, glide through your life. A sprinkle of pixie dust circles the night. You can fly. Fly to who you are. Climb upon your star. You believe you'll find your wings. Fly. Everywhere you go, your soul will find a home. You'll be free to spread your wings. Fly. You can fly to your heart. जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 बाय। आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय। जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो, कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय।
Love you zindagi, love you zindagi, love you zindagi.
Now, we have a heartfelt performance celebrating the power and dreams of children.
Good evening, all. Today we are going to present a song that inspires hope and unity, reminding us to cherish our aspiration and work for a brighter future.
We are the children of yesterday's dream. We are the promise of the future we bring. Waving the banner of love to all, to every nation, the rich and the poor. We are a world of the restless and young, and we need a hand to guide us, helping each other, build each other, as long as we're together, you and me. Oh, together we stand, divided we fall, together we climb to the top of the world. We can be what we want for the world to see, that we are the children of yesterday's dream. We have the yearning to do what is best, be someone special from all the rest. Nation and brothers in unity, building tomorrow for you and for me. We are a world of the restless and young, and we need a hand to guide us, helping each other, build each other, as long as we're together, you and me. Oh, together we stand, divided we fall, together we climb to the top of the world. We can be what we want for the world to see, that we are the children of yesterday's dream.
Thank you. Now our little cabin crew is ready to take you on a delightful dance through the skies.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Woodlam Airlines. Fasten your seatbelt and ready to fly.
Flight, you are on board K565 to Cochin. This is me, your captain speaking, and assisting Miss First Officer Marshal Abdullah. The cabin supervisor for today's flight is Aisha Ali. We are flying to Cochin, cover the distance of 3,515 km in 3 hours 55 minutes. The weather is perfect both in Bahrain and Cochin. It's about 35 degrees Celsius here in Bahrain, and it's 25 degrees Celsius in Cochin with light showers. You are requested to please keep your seats upright and fasten your seatbelt. You are requested not to use your mobile phones during taxiing, takeoff, and landing.
Welcome to Kamlax, Kazakhstan.
Jerusalem, ikhayalami, ilondoloze, uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Jerusalem, ikhayalami, ilondoloze, uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Dawo yami,
of our favorite books and go.
Hey girls, your books are issued. Let's take and go.
The inventor gazed at the sky, imagining a world where people could live among the stars. Just think, Emma, all the cool gadgets that we use today, like phones and robots, it started as someone's imagination in a book.
I never thought of it that way. The ancient ruins were covered in moss, whispering secrets of the past to those who dared to listen. Books like this makes you want to travel the world and learn its history.
The fairies sprinkled golden dust, and suddenly the villagers could fly. These might be made up stories, but these inspire real life inventions.
And when life is overwhelming, books are like friends. They cheer you up, help you see things differently, and give you courage.
And books also helps us build our vocabulary and think creatively. Right, girls?
I love reading books. Exactly. Plus, when you read about characters and their problems, it helps us understand people better. It's like practicing problem solving in real life.
Okay, I'm convinced. Books are pretty amazing. Let me try reading this one. Everyone, stay calm. Don't panic. Follow me. Get in the line.
Kids, quickly form a line.
The line.
Emma, how did you know what to do?
I read about it in a book. It explained what to do during an earthquake and how to stay safe.
See, reading really does prepare you for anything.
And by saving our lives, you are a hero, Emma.
I know, it's all thanks to books and me. Let's go.
Let's add more solar panels to the buildings. Why? That'll make our city super energy efficient.
Yeah, don't forget the rainwater harvest system. It's gonna save tons of water.
This is going to be the best project in class.
I'll grab more paper. We're almost out. Let's wash our hands.
Wait guys, I will leave the AC on. We'll be back after lunch anyways, it's fine. So, about our rainwater harvesting model, I think we should add a filter to show how clean water can be reused.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Non-renewable resources are running out, so we gotta focus on sustainability.
In my name, everyone use water responsibly. How much we could save? Ha, true. But anyways, let's head to the canteen. I'm starving. Our net zero waste city idea is genius. No food or resources will be wasted. And the compost bin will either return organic waste to fertilizer.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna win this.
Yeah. Can you finish eating first, guys? Oh, wait. This doesn't really taste that good. Yeah. Guys, I had the weirdest dream last. Let me guess. You scored a hat trick. I dreamt of a sea turtle and it was laughing at me. Laughing? Why?
You talk big about sustainability, but you're nothing but a fraud.
Would you weep?
I saw you wasting paper, leaving lights and AC on, throwing away food. You're destroying the very planet you're pretending to save.
Maybe the turtle has a point. We've been careless. We've been saying the right things, but doing the opposite.
Let's start over. No more wasting, even in small ways.
Yeah, agreed. If you want to make a difference, you have to practice what you preach.
Yeah.
We'll do it.
Attention parents, we have Luca from KG1O. His grandparents have come for the program and they are sitting in the audience. Can somebody help his grandparents to come here and collect the child? A child named Luca is here with us and his grandparents is sitting in the audience. We found one more girl. Nafis. We found a girl named Nafis. Parents, if you are present here, please come and collect the child from the backstage.
May I have your attention here? Grade 1A and O are ready for dispersal. I repeat, grade 1A and O are ready for dispersal in the dispersal room.